The Insta360 1X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. FlowState stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the 1X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is TimeShift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles.
Insta360 1X Action Camera 360-degree 5.7K 18MP Stabilization Real-time Wi-Fi Transfer Sports Video Construction Documentation. One, leading image quality, shoot stunning 5.7K video or 18MP photo. 2. Impossible stabilization, FlowState keeps shots steady, be it while jumping out of a plane, or mounting it on your dog. 3. Control time perspective, reframe your shots after the fact. Then control the speed of playback with TimeShift. 4. Edit on the fly, the Insta360 1X app is an editing room in your pocket. 5. About this item, compatible with StructionSite, OpenSpace, Holobuilder, Reconstruct and all major construction and project documentation platforms. Leading image quality, 5.7K video plus 18MP photos, 5.7K resolution makes your videos look sharp, while 18MP shots make for stunning photo quality. Turn on 50 frames per second mode to make your video buttery smooth. TimeShift, control time and perspective, highlight key moments with cinematic slow-mo, or speed things up with a stabilized hyperlapse. All in the app. FlowState stabilization, gimbal-like stabilization. No gimbal, FlowState is as smooth as it gets. Traditional action cameras are left shaking. Invisible selfie stick, view. In third-person view, pair the 1X with our invisible selfie stick and the stick is gone in an instant. You've got a flying camera without the noise. Shoot first. Point later, simple. Stunning. Cinematic editing, reframe the best parts of your shot and connect them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Then merge your favorite clips and add music and effects. The 1X app is an editing room in your pocket. Support for both iOS and Android devices. Drift shots, impossible shots. Made easy, snap into the drifter accessory and let your camera take flight. Airborne slow-mo from a camera that shoots in every direction at once. You've never seen angles like this before. Venture case dive case, venture case rough and ready. Sold separately, great for above-surface water sports, like surfing, kayaking and jet skiing, as well as enhanced everyday protection. Rugged protection. Against drops and scratches, dive case, go deeper. Sold separately, great for scuba diving and other underwater uses. Seamless underwater stitching. Purpose-built dome lenses. Bullet time, blow minds. In 3K, slow-mo bullet time shots turn heads like nothing else. The 1X pulls it off in stunning 3K at 100 FPS. Wi-Fi preview transfer, shoot and transfer in a snap, 50 megabytes per second cable transfer, 5 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi transfer. Removable battery, ready for the long haul, swap out on the fly and charge up fast with the dual battery dock, sold separately. 60 minutes non-stop shooting, 1050 mAh per battery. No stitch editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, less waiting. More creating. Seamless integration with Adobe Premiere Pro lets you start your edit before you spend a second stitching. Specs, sleek and seamless, an ultra-thin 28mm body doesn't just look good. It keeps the 1X's dual lenses close together for an immaculate stitch, 210 degrees ultra-wide fisheye lenses, 1/2.3, Sony CMOS sensor, f2.0 large aperture, outer simplicity. Inner refinement, 794 individual components, one game-changing camera. The 1X is precision crafted for durability, impact resistance and temperature regulation, all in a featherweight 3.2-ounce body.